Glued up. And on the dog. What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Big Rock. I'm running on some sweeps today. I want to see how they hold out. Kind of know how they hold out. They kind of work better than factory. I was going to do a speed test, but I forgot my GNS, so I'm just bash around and see what you can handle. Get into it.
Here we go again.
Oh yeah. These sweeps, terrain crushers. Oh yeah, they is whipping, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull off no side wheelies though. Steering a little bit off. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm not doing a speed run, but just a speed pass without clocking the speed. I think these things need to be glued up. Yeah, that was almost a nice little. I can't quite get it. Got it that time. Oh! Oh, and she landed on her feet. That would have been a nice close-up. That would have been an awesome close-up. You know, this thing is monster. Blue. All right, let me check that tire real quick. Be right back. No, I'm trying to get in a shot. Hit me all in my face. But they seem to be handling pretty good though. These tires are pretty good. Oh! Yeah, like I said, this part got lots of rocks in it, more than usual. I broke a couple cars just simply because it's so rough out here. I either avoid this area right here or avoid this area. I know she gotta be getting high. I'm gonna check the temps. Got a fan on the car. Yeah, I can't pull the side really with these. All right, let me check them temps, man. That's a little hard right there, and it's hot outside. Be right back. All right, we got, yeah, 864 degrees. I pretty much got that, but if it's only 64, that's colder than it is outside. All right. Yeah, they got some 151. What was 151 on the motor. ESC 134. Servo 116, and the battery 137. Yeah, she a little hot. Not overheating this big old boulder in here. It made me keep the dirt out because it's still kind of clean in here. I don't know how that big rock got there, but then again, back there is so rough. Yeah, she performed great with these tires on here. They need to be glued. Because I keep hearing, you know, hearing the tires smack. A little soft now. Yeah, but these tires, me personally on 6S, these is the perfect tires for this car. I can still do my power slide at the same time and hook up hard. You know, I don't have a problem steering. It actually made the steering a lot better with these tires on here. Remember, these are sweet terrain crushers. Terrain crushers. The thing I like about this car too is the body. It doesn't take much damage. This is, look, got right there and everywhere, well, right here on the edges. If these set up a little bit higher, it still would scratch right there. So, but most of the damage is on the skid plate, the front. Yeah, the big rock, man, this thing is a monster. This thing is a beast. And I found a perfect tire for my way of driving. Can't do no side wheelies, but that's cool. And as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell, more coming soon. And I'm out.